Welcome, my beautiful people, to another episode of the books in my library. Wherever you are, when you are getting this message, bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite. It is an honor to be touring Brazil while doing this show. Because of all the places where Amazon allows me to distribute and sell my books, I came up with it's an honor to tour each and every one of those countries digitally, and I thank you. Obrigada for watching the show. I'm truly grateful, and arigato. Thank you very much to all my people in Japan. I look forward to meeting all my book lovers, all those who love books. I think it's konbawa, konbawa. So tonight, the book that I'm going to feature is Fuzzy Logic for Beginners. And it was written by MASAO MUKAIDONO. For those who do not know, I do have a technical background, and it took me years to read this book. As much as I have a tech background, Fuzzy Logic is something that I've always been passionate about. I've always been passionate about that. So when this book came out during my studies, it's something that I was looking into independently. And when I graduated and I came across this book, so there are still some books that are part of my library. Usually I put the date when I bought the book, but I can't seem to find when I got this book. But anyway, this book was published in 2001. So I don't have the date when I bought it. I usually put that in my books, but you can see I've got like lines, markers, like writings. Yeah, I do better with buying books. Like, I'm not, sometimes I will borrow books from the libraries locally, but I do so much better with buying books. I love buying books because I can write, scribble, I can take my time to read it. Sometimes I can read quickly, sometimes it takes me months, sometimes it takes me years, and we'll go through some of those books. So yes, Fuzzy Logic. Let me read you the synopsis, right? There are many uncertainty in the world. Fuzzy theory treats a kind of uncertainty called fuzziness, where it shows that the boundary of yes or no is ambiguous or appears in the meaning of word or is included in the subjunctives or recognition of human beings. Fuzzy theory is essential and is applicable to many systems, from consumers' products like washing machines or refrigerators to big systems like trains or subways. Recently, fuzzy theory has been a strong tool for combining new theories called soft computing, such as genetic algorithm or neural network, to get knowledge from real data. This introductory book enables the reader to understand easily what fuzziness is and how one can apply fuzzy theory to real problems, which explains why it is a bestseller in Japan. So Fuzzy Logic was actually, I believe, invented by a Lebanese professor, I believe, who was studying in the United States. But anyway, when you read the book, you can get all of that. You can do your own research. There is so much on the internet about Fuzzy Logic, but we have evolved from Fuzzy Logic, and today, like, Fuzzy Logic has become has led into more development that is now like AI and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the book that I'm featuring this today, Fuzzy Logic for Beginners by MASAO MUKAIDONO. Arigato. Thank you very much to all the people in Japan who love poetry, who loves reading, and who will potentially, who knows, I look forward to connecting with you. And if you haven't yet, my books are available for you, on Amazon, and this one is available on Kobo, Japan. This one is not on Kobo, Japan. This is available on Kobo, Japan. At some point, I will release a copy of this, but not by the publisher who published it, Otter House, but through my own publishing house, His Holiness Cardinal Bernardin Gantin. I will release it on Kobo, but for now, this one is the only one that is on Kobo. And forgive my hair, because I just washed my hair, and so I'm just allowing it to dry, a little bit. So today is my wash day, so if you wanted to know more about my hair routine, you can watch my other channel, Megalune TV. And for those of you who do not know, as well, I started a mental health school. It is called St. Jophiel Archangel's Wonder Wheat. So you can see the link below and you can join me. There are perks, and I look forward to connecting with you. There are other courses about poetry that I was offering here that I'm consuming, and there are other little things as well, other courses that are coming up and related to mental health, and I will be offering more poetry courses over there. I may not offer all of them here, because now we have the books in my library and it is a long journey. Yeah, thank you very much. Arigato. And I will see you next time. And if you happen to be celebrating your birthday while watching my video, omedetou, otanjobi omedetou gozaimashita, or gozaimasu. Okay? See you.